is to protect birds, and we do that by teaching people about birds. We work in advocacy with our local city.
Great blue heron. Yeah.
Did you have to do a setting on the app?
Yeah, I found it like after those videos. I noticed the videos. Like, all right, I'm gonna use them. Oh, down he went.
I'm more of a forager, that's why I was like...
Blanco en la cabeza, el pico como anaranjado. Muy extraño.
Looks pissed off.
Oh, that's a great picture.
It's like this we don't understand each other.
It's true. That's a good question. Well, especially if you're looking for
Birds.
This is not mine, it's actually one of the other leaders. But this is great. Right there.
Son otro tipo de, yeah, otro tipo de pájaro. And if you look at it through los binoculares, you can see that the bill is a little bit different.
These cormorants are hated by pond owners because they're incredible fishers.
Must be a little small fish.
That's what I was thinking, like a little bait ball in there or something.